Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here let's find additional settings. Here we have to enter developer options, so let's tap on it. And if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them using the About Phone section. So let's check it and then let's get back to this video. So if we are on the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment it is obviously activated, so your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to just by tapping on it. So actually this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.